current state of environmental sustainability at institutions in the UK is mainly focused on estates, but we really need to see our universities thinking about their investments, their land holdings, and what they teach across all disciplines. So my name is Rachel Soper. I work with Students Organising for Sustainability. We're an educational charity focused on sustainability, and we work to repurpose the education system around the climate emergency and ecological crisis. So we do a lot of work with our campuses and getting staff and students leading on and learning for sustainability, making sustainability more inclusive, and getting sustainability into all parts of our education system. I don't think environmental sustainability has been forgotten during the pandemic, but it's certainly been deprioritised in a lot of cases, as a lot of resources were rightly redirected into student and staff well-being and safety. But now, even as we're recovering from the pandemic, we're seeing budget cuts to sustainability and projects being cut. So we need to make sure that as we recover from COVID, we're continuing that push for sustainability. And what it has shown is that we can radically change the way we do things in response to a crisis, and we're in a climate crisis, so we need to show that same attention as we recover from COVID to sustainability. Institutions should care about this because sustainability should be seen as a really holistic thing that covers health and well-being, education and climate action. AT staff should know that this is what their students want. Students want their institutions to be doing more on sustainability. And I also think that everyone should understand the need to engage staff and students across all levels, across all areas of the organisation, including trade unions, liberation groups, the local community, to make sure that at this really crucial time we are taking action and being at the forefront of those next steps. AT staff can get more involved with sustainability at their local institution by finding out more about what they're doing. Universities have always been at the forefront of social change, so we need to make sure that we lead these next steps towards a just and sustainable future. Join me and the other panellists at the AUA annual conference on the 7th of July to talk more about if sustainability has been forgotten during the pandemic.